Have you ever looked at traders making money online and thought, how do they actually do it? Maybe you have watched people trade Forex, gold, or Bitcoin and wondered if it is real or just another way to lose money. The truth is, most beginners never fail because trading is hard. They fail because they start in the wrong place. They jump from one strategy to another, they watch hundreds of videos, they feed their charts with indicators, then after a few weeks, they feel confused and give up. But here is the good news. Day trading is much simpler than most people make it look. After years of trading, I have learned that success does not come from using the most complicated strategy. It comes from understanding the basics first and building from there. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to start day trading from scratch. You will learn what trading really is, the only tool you need to begin today, and how to set yourself up before placing your first trade. By the end of this video, you will know exactly where to start, even if you have never opened a trading chart before. So let's get into it. First, what exactly is day trading? In simple terms, day trading is buying or selling a financial market and closing your trade on the same day. The goal is simple: buy at a lower price and sell at a higher price, or sell at a higher price and buy back at lower price. The difference between your entry and your exit is your profit or your loss. And what can you trade? Almost anything. Foreign currency pairs like Euro USD and GBP USD, gold, that is XAUUSD, Bitcoin, stock indices, to mention but few. Many traders choose one or two markets and become really good at them instead of trying to trade everything. Now, before you can trade anything, you need trade tools. The first is TradingView. This is where you analyze the market. You use it to open charts, study price movements, mark important levels, and plan your trades. TradingView is free to download. I'll put link in the description of this video. All you have to do is click the link. It will direct you to the right page where you will download it and sign up. The second is MetaTrader 5, also called MT5. This is where you actually place your trades. Think of TradingView as your map and MT5 as the car that takes you to your direction. It is also free to download. The third is a broker. A broker connects you to the financial markets. Without one, you cannot buy or sell anything. The best part is that you do not need to risk real money to learn. Almost every good broker gives you a free demo account. A demo account lets you practice with virtual money while trading the real markets. It works almost exactly like a live account, except your money is saved while you learn. I encourage you to spend time on researching the broker that will serve you better. But if you want to use the broker I use, you can check the description of this video for the link. All you got to do is click the link, sign up, and create a demo account. Some brokers have inbuilt trading terminal, which means you can trade inside your broker without connecting it to MT5. But if you want to trade on MT5, you just need to connect your broker to MT5. It is a simple step. If you want me to do a video about it, then drop a comment. That is how I recommend every beginners to start. Now you have the tools, but having the tools does not mean you know how to use them. Because when you open a chart for the first time, all you see are candles moving up and down. So in the next part, I will show you how to read a chart the right way and explain the simple process I use to find trading opportunities. The first time you open TradingView, the chart will probably look confusing. You will see red candles, green candles, numbers moving up and down, and price changing every second. But once you understand what those candles are telling you, the chart becomes much easier to read. Each candlestick shows what the price did during a specific period of time. If you are on 15 minutes time frame, each candle represents 15 minutes of price movements. If you switch to 1 hour time frame, each candle represents 1 hour. A green candle means buyers were stronger during that period. A red candle means sellers were stronger. When you put all those candles together, they tell the story of the market. Now, every trader needs a strategy. A trading strategy is simply a set of rules that tells you when to buy, when to sell, where to exit, and when to stay out of the market. The good news is that there are many strategies that work. You can learn supply and demand, support and resistance, smart money concept, also known as SMC, ICT, price action, trendline trading, breakout trading, and many more. Personally, I use supply and demand because it fits the way I trade. But that does not mean it is the only strategy that works. The best strategy is not the one someone else uses. It is the one you understand, practice, and follow consistently. So do not waste your time jumping from one strategy to another every week. Pick one, master it, and give it enough time to prove itself. Now, I'm not going to teach trading strategies in this video because that would make this guide much longer than it needs to be. My goal here is to show you how to start day trading, not overload you with information. If you want to learn winning trading strategies, trading tips, and see how I analyze market before I take my trades, then subscribe to the channel Turn on the notification bell and join my trading community using the link in the description. I have plenty of videos coming that will break everything down step by step. Now, once you have a strategy, the next question becomes, how do you really place a trade? Because finding a good setup is only half of the job. You also need to know how to enter the market, protect your accounts if the trade goes against you, and lock in profits if the trade goes your way. Now that you know what a trading strategy is, let us place a trade. This is where you will use MT5. When you open MT5, you will see the market you want to trade. To place a trade, you have two main options. You can buy if you believe the price will move higher, or you can sell if you believe the price will move lower. It is very simple. Well, before you click that buy or sell button, there are two things you should always set. The first is your stop loss. A stop loss is the price where your trade will automatically close if the market goes against you. Think of it as your safety net. No trader wins every trade, including me. That is why protecting your money is always more important than chasing profits. The second is your take profit. This is the price where your trade will automatically close after reaching your profit target. It helps you stay disciplined and prevent emotions from taking over. One mistake many traders make is risking much on a single trade. They think one trade will change their life, then the market moves against them and they lose a large part of their accounts. That is why risk management is one of the most important skills you will ever learn. My advice is simple. Do not rush into a live account. Choose a broker, open a demo account first, practice reading charts, practice placing trades, practice following one strategy. Treat your demo account like it is a real money. Once you can follow your trading plans consistently and manage your risk properly, then you can think about trading with real money. If you found this video helpful, make sure you subscribe, turn on the notification bell because I will be sharing more trading strategies, market analysis, and practical trading tips to help you become a better trader. I will see you in the next video.